Release the Kraken!
Greetings, fellow game designers. We are back, and we are going to do the hoodie this time. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's go up to our character model. Make sure we have the pink one that's there. We'll go into here, and I'm going to go to the behind the character. I don't need the skeleton to show, so I'll go up to character. I'll go down to bones, and then hierarchy. We'll just do none for now. What I do, to select the piece of the body that I want, I'll do section selection, and I'll select the hoodie. And then we need the clothing tab. If you don't see it, you can go up to window and come down and hit the checkbox for clothing. Sometimes it comes in docked over to the side or something like that. You can always just drag it up to here. All right, and I right click on the hoodie, go down to create clothing, and then I'll come down to create. And then I'm going to select the clothing again, I'll right click, and then I will apply. Now our hoodie actually doesn't have enough geometry to really be floppy, so we're going to get some mixed results here, but it should be good enough for this demonstration. So go ahead and select over here under cloth, the cloth option, and then we have a paint cloth brush. Go ahead and hit that. When it first pops up, it's going to be pink. Pink and black are both 0. So right now there's nothing on it. I'm going to scroll down, and you can actually see the brush is ginormous. Come down to brush radius. I'll do it as 5. It'll give me something about this size. The paint value, 100%. So this is kind of like skin weighting. 100 is all the way, and anything less than that is kind of, right? We don't want anything that's attached to the back of the body to move. But up here, we can adjust. So I'm going to go, I'll set a value, maybe 25-ish, and I'll come in and I'll paint over it. So this will make this kind of floppy. And you can do this for hair as well. So like we did one using bones, and this one we're using the cloth simulator. But you can do both for both. You can use bones for this, you can use the cloth simulation for this. It works either way. And then to see it working, and get that a little bit, uncheck the cloth button and you'll see it doing its job there. And it's floppy. If I hit save, come out and move the character, we'll do simulate. And there's the hoodie being floppy. You can see it's not a perfect simulation because we don't have enough geometry on the hoodie. So if I move it, you'll see some jaggedness. But you can adjust the properties of this inside of here. So if we go back to our cloth simulation, come down. No, I think we're still simulating. Let's turn that off. Select our cloth, grab the clothing, and I'll scroll down. We have some clothing presets, and we have a clothing config as well. So if you open that up, these are all of the properties for what kind of material this is going to behave like. So if it's going to be cloth, you can kind of set a weight to it. There's dampening. This is, how much motion is going to be per particle on the axis. This is friction if it's going to collide with anything. And you can adjust all these properties to get the way you want this to behave. So cloth has quite a bit of friction, so maybe we would go up to 0.5. And then for linear dampening, this is how much energy it's going to lose per tick. So I'll go up maybe a little bit on here. So I'll let you dial this in the way that you want, but there it is. In the next tutorial, we're going to go ahead and create the walk cycle. And you'll get to see how the walk cycle works with the hair and the cloth physics kind of all working together. Go ahead and save your work, and I will see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. Misty and I both thank you. If you've enjoyed the video you just watched, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, make sure you leave them down in the comments. I upload new content every Sunday, and I release content every Wednesday. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, I do have a Patreon. Get content early. I also have official merch, Lame Duck Studio merch. It does exist. They do exist. So make sure you stick around for anything new, and I will see you next time.